Hi guys, this is a tutorial on getting into Flipgrid and how to respond. So what you're going to do is if you are on this slide, you can click on Flipgrid. Otherwise, you can just type in flipgrid.com. And then you're going to enter a join code. And your join code is going to be, no matter what class you're in, Sci Adams, so SCIADAMS, and then whatever class period you're in. So if you're in first period, it'd be Sci Adams 1, Sci Adams 2 for second period, and so on. So I'm going to join in fourth period today. So Sci Adams 4. And then I'm going to click go. And what you're going to do is you're going to join with Microsoft. And when you go in, since I've logged in on here, it automatically pops up my Microsoft account. But you're going to use your Office 365 login information to log in. So whatever your student email is. So it should be your first name, period, last name, at students.cobbk12.org. Same thing you use to log in to get into CTLS. Same thing for Microsoft. So once you click in, it's going to take you to our class. And this one, again, is for fourth period, not necessarily you if you're not in fourth period. And there is only one topic right now, and it says say hello on Flipgrid. So basically what I'm trying to do is get to know you a little bit better, but also I'm really trying to learn, is there a nickname you go by? What's the correct pronunciation of your name? I want to make sure I'm saying your name correctly. So take a minute and introduce yourself. Make sure you pronounce everything slowly so that I can listen to it and understand. And then also just share a few awesome facts about yourself. When you come down, you can see that I already did one, so you can watch mine. And then you're going to come and record a response and just follow the instructions as you go, okay? You'll notice since I'm using my camera, it's not letting me use my camera. So you'll have to just follow the instructions on what to do, but it takes you step by step if you've never made a Flipgrid before. If you have a chance, you're more than welcome to, we're not going to watch that. You're more than welcome, to add a comment, say hi. You won't be able to see your friends from classes Flipgrids until I have a chance to look through them and approve them. So I plan to get that finished as quickly as possible, and I would love for you to go on and respond to them. But give me like a day to be able to look through them all, because I have 5 class periods of kids to go through and check out their videos. But again, I can't wait to learn more about each of you in your own words, and I will see you in class on Thursday or Friday. All right, have a great day. Bye.